Come test drive the 2020 Corolla. The Corolla is still a great option for those who want dependability, comfort, and value. This vehicle has less than 20,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: tire pressure monitoring system, traction control, stability control, engine immobilizer, rear stabilizer bar, front stabilizer bar, braking assist, perimeter alarm, power brakes, battery saver. If affordable style and reliability are what you're looking for, this vehicle couldn't be more perfect. Drive it today.